Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Najwa. I'm a makeup lover who always play around with different styles of makeup. Today, I want to share with you how to do this wearable makeup look for you who wear spectacles or eyeglasses. You can definitely wear this to college or work or even to a simple date. So before we start, let me tell you my most problematic areas whenever I wear makeup with spectacles. My dark circle. Hold up, wait a minute. I totally forgot to apply nail polish, and yes, I just exposed my ugly black henna nail. Yeah, it's so disgusting right now. Anyway, moving on. You can see it pretty obvious as the spectacles tend to cast some shadows under my eyes, so it's really not cute. Then the redness around my nose. This could easily be covered up with concealer. Same goes to my acne scars. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I wear makeup with glasses, the nose pads tend to glide down my nose easily. So today we're gonna tackle that problem too. Now before we start, I need to change to my contact lenses because if I don't, I can't see what I'm doing. My eyesight is pretty bad. First, I spray my whole face with setting spray by Maybelline. I've been doing this technique for a while now, which is spraying setting spray before foundation. It really makes my foundation stays better. As usual, I'm taking Phoera Beauty foundation, code 105cent, and apply it all over my face, but avoiding areas such as under eyes and nose bridge. There are definitely two reasons. First, I want to apply full coverage concealer under my eyes, so I don't want to cake up too much product because it will easily become creasing and will show obviously when you wear spectacles. The second reason is, if I apply any products near to my nose bridge, the nose pads will glide more easily because of the oil from the foundation itself, and we don't want that. Then I take full coverage foundation that I use as my concealer by Dermacol and targeting my problematic areas. I use the shade 211, which is lighter than my actual skin tone, maybe like 1 or 2 shades lighter. I blend it nicely to my skin using a damp beauty sponge. Next, I take a brow pencil by Maybelline and start filling in my brows. It is very important to draw your brows nicely because brows are the windows of your eyes. Especially when you wear spectacles, the whole focus will be on your eyes, and that includes brows. If you mess up brows, trust me, people will never stop staring at them. Been there, done that. I define the brows with the same concealer and prime my eyelids at the same time. By now, I think most of you already knows that I always start my eye makeup with white eyeshadow by James Charles X Morphe palette code Flashback. This color goes straight to my brow bones. For my transition color, I'm taking code James, which is a light brown eyeshadow, and apply it all over my lids. I'm using this fluffy blending brush by Essence Cosmetics because it is such a great brush to blend the eyeshadows, and also because it is big enough to apply eyeshadow quickly and blend nicely at the same time. Once that is done, I take a deep brown purplish eyeshadow code Tease by Huda Beauty Nude Palette and darken up my outer corner crease using 213 brush by m.a.c. I use this brush and the fluffy brush interchangeably to make sure my eyeshadows blend smoothly. Next, I reapply the concealer under my eyes while removing the excess eyeshadows at the outer corner. At the same time, I create wing effects for my eyeliner later. Blend it with a beauty sponge. Before the concealer starts to crease, I set it with loose powder by Revlon. I also set my oily T-zones, such as in the middle of the forehead, nose, and also chin. On the other part of my face, I set it with a compact powder by Rimmel. The powder shade is almost as same as my skin tone. As for my shading, contour, and blusher, I'm just going to use the eyeshadows from Morphe 35OM palette. Since this is a very simple, innocent look, I'm just going to make a subtle shading and contour. Usually I apply shading at my cheeks, side of my temples, and also sides of my nose. And for contour, I only focusing at my cheekbones. As for my blusher, I make sure to apply it lower than where I will place my spectacles. This is to make sure that when I wear it, I don't have any pink shade in the glass frame. You know what I mean? Baby green. Back to the eyes, I apply a cream shimmery dust shadow coat Crave, also from Phoera Beauty Nude palette, at the inner corner of my eyes. This step is important if you want to make your eyes look awake and fresh. Then I take a black liquid eyeliner by m.a.c and drawing dramatic liners on my upper lashes. To add a bit of depth at my outer corners, I add tiny bit of matte black eyeshadow coat Carbon by m.a.c. Basically, I just dot my outer crease and then blend it until I'm satisfied with the look. I reapply the eyeliner because somehow some of it was removed when I blend the eyeshadows. Before I apply mascara, I remove the excess powder under my eyes with powder brush. Now here's a simple trick for those of you who always struggling with lashes that touch your spectacles. I heat up the curler with a cigarette lighter until it is warm enough for your skin to handle. Please be careful and don't burn your skin. If you are not confident enough to use the lighter, you can warm it up with a hairdryer. That works just as fine. Once the curler is warm enough, try to test it on the back of your hand to check if the warmth is right for you. Then start curling your lashes to lift it up as much as possible. Apply the mascara quickly to lock the curl. For today, I'm using C-Coat Mascara, which I really love. It is such a good quality brand with affordable price. And here in Malaysia, you can easily find it in Watsons. Finally, for my lips, I take this new lip matte by Kiss Beauty. It is an orange base lip matte and I think it complements with the look nicely. Because it is so matte, it tends to dry up my lips. So I top it off with a lip gloss by NYX Cosmetics Sprinkle Tone Collection, code Sugar Crystal. So there you have it. I hope this look will boost up your confidence to wear makeup even though you're wearing spectacles. As usual, please take care of yourself during this crazy situation. Be kind, have empathy towards others, and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like button and notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!